Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bosnia and Herzegovina's data protection framework is governed by the Law on Protection of Personal Data, which was last modified in December 2022. Although efforts have been made to align this law with the GDPR, a new draft law compliant with GDPR standards is in the pipeline but has yet to be adopted due to political complexities. Bulgaria. Bulgaria directly applies the EU's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, as of May 25, 2018, without the need for further implementation through national laws. Despite this direct application, there are areas where member states have leeway to legislate differently, allowing Bulgaria to maintain its Personal Data Protection Act, which serves to implement GDPR standards and transpose the EU Directive 2016/680 for data processing for law enforcement purposes. Croatia. Croatia also directly applies the GDPR, supplemented by its Act on the Implementation of the General Data Protection Regulation, which came into force on May 25, 2018. The Act on Healthcare Data and Information, in effect since February 15, 2019, further details the rights, obligations, and standards for data collection, processing, and protection within the Croatian healthcare system. North Macedonia. The Law on Protection of Personal Data in North Macedonia, established to align with the GDPR, emphasizes the definition of personal and sensitive data and outlines the responsibilities and obligations of data controllers and processors. The country's data protection agency oversees the implementation of these laws. Montenegro. Montenegro's data protection is currently regulated by the Law on Protection of Personal Data, with anticipation for a new law to align with the GDPR. The existing law outlines the definitions of personal and sensitive data and establishes the Agency for Protection of Personal Data and Free Access to Information as the supervisory authority. Serbia. Serbia's data protection law, effective as of August 21, 2019, seeks to align with the GDPR, detailing the definitions of personal data, the role of the National Data Protection Authority, and the conditions for lawful processing of personal data. Slovenia. Slovenia's data protection framework incorporates the GDPR, the new Slovenian Data Protection Act, ZVOP2, and the Slovenian Act on the Protection of Personal Data in the area of treatment of criminal offences. These laws govern the processing of personal data, including special categories not explicitly covered by the GDPR. This overview reflects the efforts of Balkan countries to align their data protection frameworks with the GDPR, indicating a commitment to enhancing data security and privacy standards in line with European Union directives.